Hi, I'm Marna.
And I'm Darren.
And this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. We'd like to wish you a happy and safe Memorial Day weekend. That was unplanned. He knew what I was going to say. Memorial Day in the United States of America is a day to honor in your hearts those that have fought and been lost in our battles throughout the years of our existence. My own grandmother lost a son, my uncle, in the Korean War. He was on his way home for good. He was done over there and his plane went down. So on Memorial Day, I always try to think of them, rest in peace. On Memorial Day in my childhood, my father always had a huge barbecue, my mom and dad, but mostly my dad. His birthday was May 28th, and so he'd have a Memorial Day birthday party barbecue. We're talking 50, 60, 75 people every year. We're talking a big barbecue, and it was pork steaks for all. I hope you all, if you live in the U.S., get to have some barbecue, because that's kind of the tradition. And the other tradition is first day of summer, which really isn't to June 21st, but we all think Memorial Day summer, and the pool's open. Darren and I had some fun, and we'd like to show you what we did.
And Daisy.
And Daisy. They don't have the Barbie I was looking for, but here's a pretty face for you. And I do love these girls in the heart print dresses.
Daisy and I are just along for the ride.
I'm going to use these as a pattern to make dresses for my midi Blythe.
Do they have them?
Nope.
Oh.
They do not. Now I'm going to have to go to another town. Another town.
It's a long ride to the next town.
I am not riding there.
Oh.
Okay, they do have these. All right. And that looks like a good one for the pattern. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. We hope you enjoy our videos. Please leave a like, a comment, and if you would subscribe. Please check to make sure your subscription is holding, because yet again, I have been slipping on other people's channels to channels I watch all the time. I notice I'm unsubscribed, so I just hit the subscribe button again.